Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a completely separate Windows setup without changing your main system. I'll show you how to create a new user account in Windows and how to switch between user accounts using all available methods. This works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's start with creating a new user account. First, open Settings. Open Search bar and type Settings. Then click the Settings. Now click on Accounts, which is listed in the menu. Now scroll to the Other Users. Then select Other Users. Under Other Users, click on Add Account. A new window will appear asking for an email address. If you want to create a local account, click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Wait a moment. Next, click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now enter a username. Whatever you like. In my case, I am typing new user. You can also set a password if you want. Enter your password in the first text box, then re-enter the same password in the next text box. Then select questions and enter their answers whatever you like. Click Next. That's it. Your new user account has been created successfully. Here you can change account type of new user. By default is its standard user account. You can set it to administrator. But personally, I don't recommend it. Now let's see how to switch to the new account. There are several methods to switch users. First method, using the Start menu. On the taskbar, click Windows icon. Then click User Profile. Now click on the three dots, then select the new user. After it will redirect to the password screen, where you can enter your password of new user account. Then you will be on the new desktop setup. Now method 2, using a keyboard shortcut. Press Alt plus F4. It will open a panel. Now select Switch User option in the drop-down menu. Then click OK. After that, enter the password and you're done. Now method 3, also using another keyboard shortcut. Press Windows plus L. This will lock your screen. Now select the other account from the bottom left corner and sign in. Method 4. Using Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. Then click on Switch User. And then choose the account and log in. Now method 5. Sign out and sign in. On the taskbar, click Start or Windows icon. Click your profile icon. Then click Sign Out. Or now see another method of sign out. Back to desktop. Now press Alt plus F4. Select Sign Out option and then click OK. Then choose the other account and log in. Now the last method, switch user, using Task Manager. On the taskbar, click Search bar. Type Task Manager and by clicking open it. Select three lines icon and scroll down to Users and click it. Now you can see all users. Right-click on the new user and click Switch User Account. Then log into New User Account. Now your new account is ready. You can see here the new desktop setup without changing main desktop setup. You can go back to main user account using the same methods. Now let's see how to delete a new user account. First, open Settings. Open Search bar and type Settings. Then click the Settings. Now click on Accounts, which is listed in the menu. Now scroll to the Other Users. Then select Other Users. Under Other Users, write New User by clicking on it. Then click Remove button. A panel will display. Click Delete Account and Data button to delete new user account permanently. That's it. This method closes all apps and is recommended for better performance. All these methods work on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Creating a separate user account is useful if you want a clean desktop for recording, privacy, or sharing your PC with others. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.